Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is the second video of the decking, electrical and plumbing works in the decking. Please subscribe, like and share the video, and then turn on the bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. So one thing you have to do when doing your decking is to consider doing the plumbing and electrical works before you cast the concrete on the decking or floor. And that is what we did in our case. In Europe, for instance, in constructions in Europe, they do not pass any pipes during the casting of concrete in the decking. What they do is, after they've finished casting the concrete, after everything, then they just lay the pipes on the floor, and after that they cast another concrete on it for the tiles and or whatever you what the type of floor that you'll be doing on your rooms. So that is how they do it in Europe. In Ghana, they pass the pipes through the floor. So to avoid cutting the floors after casting the concrete, it's better to pass the pipes before you cast the concrete. That is, they're going to pass the pipe. The electrician will come after the binding wires and how do you call it? And the iron rods are all settled down with the carpentry work done. Then the plumber and the electrician will come, pass their pipes before they cast the concrete. So these are the materials that we bought, I think, for for both works, the plumbing and electrical works, we spent around, I think, 6,000 something, including the workmanship. So let's say this 300 here is for the loading charges, that is the transportation of the materials that we bought from the hardware shop. So that cost us around 6,628 cedis. That is 66 million, also old Ghanaian million. So that is what we spent for both work. If you look here, you have the workmanship of the electrician. That was a little bit high, that is 2,000 Ghana cedis. And the plumber, my super plumber, his works cost us around 800 cedis. Like I said in my other video, if any of you need a plumber, his prices are really good. So you can just write in the comment section, and then I'll get back to you with his number, and you can call him, let him go and inspect your property for you. And if you want him to do any work on it for you, then he will then do it for you. His works are really neat, and he's also not that expensive. So that is it. These are the things that we bought, and like I said, we spent around 67 million old Ghana cedis, 6,700 cedis. Ghana cedis, you can convert that in euros or pounds or dollars. So if you decide to do your deckings or floor, please don't forget to do these works before they cast the concrete. In our situation, we have a contractor, so he always tells us what we have to do. If you are building alone, maybe you might forget, so just consider it before you make them do the whole thing. Yeah, so that was it. That was the expenses of how much we spent so far, and as you can see, that is the work. The plumbing, the plumbing pipes, and then the electrical pipes are also, they are a little bit smaller. They are also under the iron rods there. So yeah, you try to do your plumbing and electrical works before you cast the concrete. As you can see, everything is ready for the concrete now. they will be casting the concrete, which I will post video of it in the next episode. So guys, that's it for this episode. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, like the video, subscribe, share, and then click on the bell so that you'll be notified. Thank you for watching.